Hello guys, so today I'm going to guide you about repair job status checker or repair job status tracker. So here your customer can enter their case number you have provided them, or they can add their device serial number or IMEI, whatever you have repair. If you repair cars, then registration number maybe, or if you repair appliances, its serial number. They can check their job status by the case number. How they will get the case number? When you create a job like this, and for this customer, our booking notification will be sent to customer that their job have been let's send one status message. You can see this message here. So this is the repair status message is sent to customer that their job is new, or whatever the information you can see here. And here customer gets their online repair status checker link also, so they can just click it and check the job status. I will come to it later. And here customer can also see their case number. Where is it? This, as you can see, customer can copy it and they can check their job status. You can also provide a repair ticket, this one, to your customer when they book their device to you, so they can scan it and quickly, easily check the status of their job. It will open like this, clicking the link from email, or the scanning the QR code from this ticket, or entering their serial number, or entering their case number. Here customer can see the status of their job is in repair, and here they can see status update email sent here, job priority. Here they can see what's going on in their job. And if they want to post a message to if your customer want to post a message to technician, you can just leave what is status of my device, I need it tomorrow please. They can also attach files if you need that. So once customer posts a message, a technician will receive that message in their email that there is update on this job, so technician can see how to reply the client and whatever. So this is how your customers can track the jobs status online very easily. And this is very helpful for example, when a customer books a new device. Let's say they are booking a phone, Apple phone, and they are booking this phone. They are entering their serial number like I will copy the serial number, device not screen replacement. Then they select their service like, and then they will say let us pick your device. Then they select the date when we can pick their device, and then they enter the information, customer new at .com 234. And whatever other details customer want to enter, you can disable the options you don't need. My device is not working today. 7. After completing the booking, after customer completes the booking, you can see that they will also receive their case number here, this one, but it will not work because this is a new booking, and the new booking administrator have to check that what customer have requested. You can see customer have requested whatever, and the technician will analyze what parts and services will be used in this job. Then they will send estimate to customer, so customer can approve or reject that estimate, or the technician can simply convert this estimate to job. And if they have to send estimate by email, it will be sent to customer, but this customer email does not exist, so we will manually convert this job, this estimate to a job. So after converting this estimate to a job, now we can go to jobs and we can see this job here. And now customer, if want to check the status of their device, they can just simply see this, and it will tell them their order status, everything about it. So this is how the repair job status checker works, and how your customers can easily track what is the status of their device with you. And this also gives you very good option to communicate with your clients, and it will also reduce the phone calls about the status of the device customer checking with you. So they can simply they will simply know online whenever they want what is the status. They can also message you. So this is how online repair status checker or online repair status tracker works in RepairBuddy. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.